Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make PayPal not hold your money. Understanding why PayPal places holds on funds is crucial for any seller. We'll go over proactive steps you can take to prevent these holds from happening in the first place. Plus, I'll show you how to efficiently resolve any existing holds, ensuring your funds are available when you need them. Stay tuned for a comprehensive guide to managing your PayPal transactions smoothly. PayPal often holds funds for various reasons, primarily to ensure secure transactions for both buyers and sellers. New accounts, or those with limited selling history, might experience holds as a standard security measure. High-value transactions or unusual selling patterns can also trigger these holds. Additionally, if there are disputes, chargebacks, or any suspicious activity, PayPal may temporarily hold funds to investigate and protect all parties involved. It's all about maintaining a safe marketplace. To prevent future holds, building a strong selling history is key. Always ship your items promptly and provide tracking information for every order. This transparency helps PayPal verify delivery. Maintaining clear and open communication with your buyers can also prevent misunderstandings that might lead to disputes. Furthermore, linking and confirming your bank account and credit cards, along with keeping your business information complete and up to date, significantly boosts your account's credibility and reduces the likelihood of holds. If your funds are currently on hold, there are several steps you can take to expedite their release. The most important is to provide tracking information as soon as your item ships, allowing PayPal to confirm delivery. Respond quickly to any requests for additional information from PayPal, as delays can prolong the hold. If a buyer dispute arises, try to resolve it amicably and promptly. In most cases, funds are released within 21 days, but proactive steps can often shorten this period. Don't hesitate to contact PayPal customer service if you need further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.